Hi everyone, today we are going to discuss about Unit 8. Unit 8 covers general concepts of food analysis and testing. Unit 1 to Unit 7 link has been given in description, so please go through it. Remaining 2 units will be discussed on further classes, so please subscribe our channel. Let's move on to questions. So the first question is, dash samples can be used for prosecution. The options are monitoring sample, surveillance sample, legal, laboratory sample. The right answer, option C, legal. And next, two types of samples drawn by food safety officer in our country. They are legal sample and surveillance sample. Legal sample is used for prosecution. Surveillance sample is drawn for surveillance, survey and research purpose, not used for prosecution. And next question, dash given to food business operator by any officer who is authorized by Food Safety Commissioner while taking samples. The options are Form 2B, Form 10A, Form 5A, Form 4B. The right answer, option C, Form 5A. And next question, composition of Barfoot's reagent. The options are sodium phosphate and hydrogen peroxide, cupric acetate and acetic acid, sodium acetate and citric acid, potassium sulfate and acetic acid. The right answer, option B, cupric acetate and acetic acid. And next question, absorption is directly proportional to the concentration of absorbing substance and the length of the path of radiation through the sample. The options, law of limiting factor, Basket law, Beer-Lambert law, Ohm's law. The right answer, option C, Beer-Lambert's law. And next question, gas-solid chromatography is based on which of the following process? The options, ion exchange, adsorption of gaseous substances on solid surface, partition of analyte between the phases, none of the above. The right answer, option B, adsorption of gaseous substances on solid surface. And next question, isostachophoresis is also called as. The options, sonography, chromatography, displacement electrophoresis, none of the above. The right answer, option C, displacement electrophoresis. And next question, Lea method is for the determination of the options, sugar content in honey, water content in milk, peroxide value of fat, total soluble solid in fruit. The right answer, option C, peroxide value of fat. And next question, aniston value is the measure of. The options are protein quality, fat quality, both A and B, none of the above. The right answer, option B, fat quality. And next, filter photometer detector is responsive for which compounds? The options, potassium, hydrogen, oxygen, volatile sulfur or phosphorus compounds. The right answer, option D, volatile sulfur or phosphorus compounds. And next, the legal sampling procedure is strictly done by. The options, food business operator, food safety officer, food safety commissioner, all of the above. The right answer, option B, food safety officer. And next, color reagents used in resin column chromatography. The options, ninhydrin, Nestle's reagent, Benedict reagent, none of the above. The right answer, option A, ninhydrin. And next, instruments used in Dow processing, properties and baking quality of flour? The options mixograph, farnograph, both A and B. The right answer option C, both A and B, mixograph and farnograph. And next, quality manual is reviewed periodically by the options top management, administration, staff. The right answer option A, top management. And next, volatile substance can be separated by the options FID, HPLC, GLC, TLC. The right answer option C, GLC. And next, dash ml of formalin can be used in ice cream and mixed ice cream samples as a preservative. The options 0.1 ml for 100 grams, 0.3 ml for 100 grams, 0.6 ml for 100 grams and 0.2 ml for 100 grams. The right answer option C, 0.6 ml for 100 grams. And next, non-conformance of products analyzed by the options affinity diagram, Pareto analysis, control chart, all of the above. The right answer option D, all of the above, affinity diagram, Pareto analysis and control chart. And next question, which of the following is the direct method of measuring moisture? The options dielectric method, vacuum oven method, Carroll-Fisher titration, both B and C. The right answer option D, both B and C, vacuum oven method and Carroll-Fisher titration. And next, fat content in the milk is measured by using the options lactometer, refractometer, barometer, butyrometer. The right answer option D, butyrometer. And next question, for packaging material, when sample is taken from manufacturer, the surface area of the packaging material is. The right answer option B, 8 into 1000 into 9 cm square. And next, temperature for danger zone is the options 40 to 140 degree Fahrenheit, 50 to 240 degree Fahrenheit, 60 to 340 degree Fahrenheit, 70 to 440 degree Fahrenheit. The right answer option A, 40 to 140 degree Fahrenheit. And next question, ISO 1911 is the guideline for the options food safety management, non-conformities, auditing, customer complaint management. The right answer option C, auditing. And next question, the approximate quantity of a food sample when sample is taken from small consumer packages is complete packaging material used for one container. And next, as per GMP guidelines, the refrigerated food should be stored below the options 5 degrees Celsius or below, 8 degrees Celsius or below, 9 degrees Celsius or below, 7 degrees Celsius or below. The right answer option A, 5 degrees Celsius or below. And next, which of the following is recommended for food industry? The options galvanized iron, mild steel, stainless steel, none of the above. The right answer option C, stainless steel. And next question, chromatography is the physical method used to separate and analyze the options metals, complex mixtures, simple mixture, viscous mixture. The right answer option B, complex mixtures. And next question, which of the following is used as support material for packed column in gas chromatography? The options are metal, glass, steel, diatomaceous earth. The right answer Option D. Diatomaceous earth. And next question, if the sample container received by food analyst is found to be broken, he shall inform the designated officer within dash days. The options 3 days, 5 days, 7 days and 10 days. The right answer, option C, 7 days. And next question, which of the following methods are liquid samples injected into the column in gas chromatography? The options rotary sample valve, micro syringe, solid injection syringe, none of the above. The right answer, option B, micro syringe. And next question, dash measures the change in viscosity as the starch granules gelatinize and swell during heating. The options are amylograph, extensograph, mixograph, alveograph. The right answer, option A, amylograph. And next, which of the following is not identified as an allergen by European Union? The options are gluten, shellfish, peanuts, mustard oil. The right answer, option D, mustard oil. And next question, investigation for the purpose of fixation of standard of any article of food is done by the options referral laboratory, secondary laboratory, primary laboratory, none of the above. The right answer, option A, referral laboratory. And next question, to determine ash content, the food sample is kept in muffle furnace at the options 550 degrees Celsius for 3 hours, 200 degrees Celsius for 2 hours, 400 degrees Celsius for 3 hours, 100 degrees Celsius for 3 hours. The right answer, option A, 550 degrees Celsius for 3 hours. And next, sample injection port must be maintained at a temperature at which rapid vaporization occurs, but thermal degradation does not occur. State true or false. It's true. And next, in AAS, which is used to convert sample in mist or aerosol? The options detector, nebulizer, cathode lamps, atomizer. The right answer, option B, nebulizer. And next, UV spectroscopy working on which phenomenon? The options elution, absorption, both A and B. The right answer, option B, absorption. And next, about instrumental techniques in food analysis, chromatographic techniques, hyphenated techniques, spectroscopic techniques, thermal methods of analysis. So here comes chromatographic techniques, gas chromatography, liquid chromatography, that is HPLC, thin layer chromatography and high performance thin layer chromatography. In gas chromatography, it is applied to volatile organic compounds. The mobile phase is gas and stationary phase is liquid. And in liquid chromatography, it is used to separate analytes in solution, including metal ions and organic compounds. Here, the mobile phase is solvent and the stationary phase is liquid. And then, thin layer chromatography. It is the important chromatographic technique where qualitative identification and initial screening of components. Here, the amino acids and amines are detected by spraying the plate with a solution of ninhydrin, resulting blue or purple colored spot. And in high performance thin layer chromatography, here it is for fingerprint analysis of food products. The application of high performance thin layer chromatography are determination of food adulterants such as argemone in mustard oil, then separation of food colors in food sample, determination of residues of mycotoxin in food products. And next, hyphenated techniques, gas chromatography and mass spectrometry, then liquid chromatography and mass spectrometry. In gas chromatography mass spectrometry, the GC portion of the system provides separation of volatile organic solutes, and MS portion of the system takes each gaseous solute eluting out of gas chromatograph and ionizes it in electron beam. And in liquid chromatography mass spectrometry, there are 5 different types of mass analyzers: single quadrupole, triple quadrupole, ion trap, time of flight, and quadrupole time of flight. LCMS technique is used when very high sensitivity and specificity at trace residue level is required. And next, spectroscopic instruments, that is UV visible spectroscopy, atomic absorption spectroscopy, inductively coupled plasma, nuclear magnetic resonance spectroscopy, Fourier transform infrared spectroscopy. And at last, thermal methods of analysis by thermogravimetry, differential thermal analysis, and differential scanning calorimetry. And thermogravimetry technique continuously measure the mass of a sample as it is heated or cooled at a controlled rate at a particular temperature for a period of time with reference to controlled sample. And next, detector for gas chromatography or flame ionization detector, electron capture detector, nitrogen phosphorus detector, thermal conductivity detector. And next, application of gas chromatography, cholesterol fatty acid profiling and trans fat analysis, antioxidants and preservatives like TBHQ, benzoic acid, sorbic acid, and acetic acid, characterization of flavors and fragrances. And next, detectors of HPLC, refractive index, ultraviolet, photodiode array, fluorescent, mass spectroscopy detectors. And next, application of HPLC, amino acid profiling, lipids and alcohols, carbohydrate profiling, pigments, colorants, phenolic compounds, detection, fat soluble and water soluble vitamins, additives, preservatives, antioxidants, and stabilizers in food. And next, application of GCMS, pesticide residue analysis, analysis of environmental contaminants, fatty acid profiling, volatiles and residual solvents. And here it's the details of packaging sample for dispatch to laboratory for analysis. Here at the top, the signature or thumb impression. Next, code number, securing thread or twine. And next, at last, food safety officer or designated officer signature with the seal. And here comes wrapped with thick paper, that is waterproof, then custody seal, minimum of 4 custody seals on wrapper. And next, sampling devices used for different food products depend on the physical form of the food. Example, liquid, powder, granules, seeds, and grains. These include sampling liquids, sampling solids in powder or granulated form, and sampling frozen foods. And first, sampling liquids. Here, vacuum pumps, dipping vessels, pipette type samplers, sampling scoops, piston tube samplers are used. And for sampling solids in powder or granulated form, spear samplers, tube type samplers, zone samplers, sampling trowels, spiral samplers are used. And at last, sampling frozen goods. Here, hand drill samplers are used. If you have any doubt, Please ask on to comment section. Remaining 2 units will be discussed on upcoming classes. So please subscribe our channel. Thank you.